Hello, it's Cheryl. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review Anastasia Beverly Hills brand new Magic Touch concealer. So I received this from Influenster a while ago. It's not that long ago. I think this only came out maybe like a month ago. Yeah, so I got it in a Vox box. It's free. If you want to know how to get free products to test it out, make sure to watch this video about Influenster that I made a while back. Like this, and I already threw away the packaging, the box for this, and it has this. It's vegan and cruelty free. We're so excited that you have been selected to receive our ABH's biggest complexion launch yet. Magic Touch Concealer. It is pretty magical, I would agree. I do want to quickly mention that my nails, see, it's white and I love it. It's shiny and smooth. I do want to quickly mention that this nail polish is from Nail Addict. This is not sponsored, by the way, but Nail Addict sent me some colors to try. I'm loving it so far. And I wanted to mention this because October is International Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and they partnered with a charity organization, and for every single order they will have throughout the month, they will donate $1 of the total revenue. So it's for a good cause, and plus what I love about this nail polish is that they're free of a lot of chemicals that you don't want on your nails. Their formula is free from 9 harmful chemicals. You know, people like me, I wear nail polish all the time. I really do care about that. I want it to be healthier. Nail polish is my life. If I am not wearing nail polish, I feel naked. Like seriously, I literally feel naked. By the way, this is gel nail polish. They're vegan and cruelty free, just like this concealer. Also, I love that over here has the color of the polish. It's just when you put them in the box, it's so much easier to recognize which color. And they're nice enough to give me a discount code for my viewers. And it is Cheryl for 50% off for a minimum purchase of 2 gel polishes. I'll link everything in my description box, so be sure to check it out if you're interested. Now back to this concealer. It is 5 out of 5. It is my current favorite concealer. Very powerful. It's called Magic Touch for a reason. I totally agree. It is pretty magical. Like when I apply on my face, my overall makeup looks so much better. It's not that my makeup skill has improved. It hasn't. It's hard to improve your makeup skills during this pandemic, I feel like, because I barely wear makeup anymore. This concealer, you don't have to be good at doing makeup, but people are gonna look at your face and think like, ooh, like it's professionally done. It makes my face glow in a beautiful way. It's almost like that glass skin that I have been trying forever to create. You know, the Korean glass skin. And it's not easy to achieve that. I use my favorite foundation of all time, which is BOBBI Brown's Serum Foundation. I will put it right here. That foundation alone already makes my skin very nice, but this is like cherry on top. It brightens up my face. I'm currently wearing it right now. This concealer goes very well with the BOBBI Brown foundation I have been using. I like to apply it underneath my eyes and my nose bridge and just like wherever that I want to cover up or to brighten as well. And also it's very good at covering the redness, because often I do have redness on my forehead and also over here, and it covers up very quickly. So not only it's long lasting, but it also has a pretty good coverage. It's also buildable as well. I totally recommend, and I will put a before and after photo so you can see this before photo. I have some redness on my nose and my forehead, and I have some sunspots. It's medium coverage, so you can still kind of see my sunspots, which I don't mind. I love the natural look. Mine is in the shade number 3. Another thing I want to suggest is that if you have super dry skin, you should probably moisturize, prep your face before you apply. For this before and after photo, I didn't apply any foundation. It was only the concealer, and I think that's great too. I don't always like to apply foundation, so sometimes I just want to use concealer, and that's fine. It actually works pretty well like that. So yeah, that would be my review for this concealer. I totally recommend it. If you haven't found a good concealer yet, please try this out. I love it so much, and let me know because I do have a combination skin and where my T-zone is a little bit greasy and my cheeks are pretty dry, so it works for me for this skin type. So let me know if it works for you as well. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye!